Welcome to the 13th edition of Education This Week, presented by Indic Education. My name is Ravina, and I come back every week with the newest update on education from around the world. If you missed the news this week and would like to stay updated just like this every week with education, this is the place you need to be. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon for instant notifications. Also, follow our social media handles that are all listed in the description below. Now, it's time to look at the headlines for education this week. Tamil Nadu government establishes the Education at Doorstep initiative to close the learning gap. 1,158 staff positions in Punjab government colleges to be filled in 45 days. Maharashtra announces HSC and SSC supplementary exam results. Maharashtra Agriculture Institutes reopen on October 20th. The Illam Thedi Kalvi project will be launched to address the learning gap caused due to the pandemic in government schools across multiple districts in Tamil Nadu. Starting off, the pilot phase of the project will be active in 12 districts: Kadalur, Erode, Dindigal, Kanchipuram, Kanyakumari, Krishnagiri, Nagapattinam, Nilgiris, Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur and Villupuram. After 2 weeks in the initial 12 districts, the project will be expanded to other towns to continue for a period of 6 months. A total of Rs 200 crores has been estimated from this fiscal year as the expense towards this project, which is aimed at imparting educational skills that children in government schools were missing since March 2020. This will be taken care of with the due participation of teachers, volunteers, NGOs and the public. Punjab Higher Education and Languages Minister Pargat Singh announced that the department will fulfill the long pending demand for recruitment of teachers in the government colleges of the state into 1,158 such vacant posts. The recruitment process will be carried out by a selection committee from the Guru Nanak University Amritsar and Punjabi University Patiala and will be completed over a period of 45 days. The process is supposed to help fill about 1,091 posts in the teaching cadre and 67 posts for librarians in the government colleges, and it will be followed as per the UGC guidelines. The Maharashtra State Board for Secondary and Higher Secondary Examinations on October 20th released the supplementary exam results. The exams were conducted from September 15th to October 4th for students who were not satisfied with the earlier evaluation of their performance. Since the main exams for class 10 and 12 had been cancelled, the results were declared on basis of only the internal assessments. The board had recorded a 99.63% passing in SSC and 99.95% pass in HSC. But many wanted to be re-evaluated for better marks. Check the description below this video and find the website to view your HSC and SSC Maharashtra results. The state government of Maharashtra declared the official reopening of agriculture varsities and colleges from the 20th of October. Agriculture Minister Dadaji Bhuse announced that the reopening is in line with the recent circular which officially allowed all colleges to resume offline classes. All the students above 18 years of age who have taken both doses of the vaccination are permitted to attend college in person, while the rest can continue taking their classes online. The decision to allow 50% students or more rests with the respective universities after a comprehensive precautionary procedure is in place for all the staff and students to follow in the times of the pandemic. We hope you got an interesting view into the events of education this week. Subscribe to Indic Education, like and share the video, and do leave your comments below. Come back to our channel next week for a brand new episode, and until then, take care. This is Ravina signing off.